Hey guys, how you doing? This is independent comic book artist, writer, and director Graig Weich from BeyondComics.tv coming at you live and direct. Just finishing up some final touches on this new Spawn drawing that I'm doing. And I was so honored when Todd Mcfarlane from Image Comics hired me personally to draw the double-page poster pinup in Spawn issue number 30, my first paid job. And he and I actually speak about that live, Todd and I, on my YouTube video with him that I shot recently. So go to youtube.com/BeyondComicsTV and you can see Todd and I talking about it, or at my Instagram at Graig Weich. So thank you guys so much for watching and helping support us independent comic book artists, writers, and director. This has been a very hard, challenging career, but thankfully we're hanging in there. Please make sure to follow and subscribe, and check out my new comic book, Gekido, at beyondcomics.tv. And you could be drawn as a comic book character in my next comic, so check it out. Thanks again, and as they say in comics, to be continued.